Hello.
Hello.
Where are we?
We are in Tenterfield,
You'd
right?
think for a second. Yeah, we are. This is Tenterfield. This is the main street. It's really quite a cute place. Very, very beautiful and very green. You'll see.
Hello. With a
I'm just
GoPro.
sticking the camera in my face. So this is Tenterfield. It's really, it's really a cute little place. Very, very cute little country town. I love these little western towns. I like them a lot more than beach places and stuff. Check out how just nice and picturesque it is.
That's super nice.
It's super cute.
It's called The Corner.
A lifestyle.
I wonder if it's open. I guess it looks kind of open.
Could be. It says closed from here.
Bad
Superior
likes shutting down my
vision.
dreams.
Superior vision.
Anyways, bye.
Cute little church. Living Waters. G'day. So yeah, lots of fire trees, outdoor gym here. We're just going for a walk, and as usual, tons and tons and tons of bats in the distance. Loads of them. Yeah, we're just wandering up here to the shop. It's a stunning day.
The old flag.
Yeah, so we actually didn't know this was kind of like also, this is a cafe and also kind of like a history museum sort of, which is pretty amazing. And you can really tell that they really love their history here, and they're proud of the town, which I gotta admit, I think like every good Australian country town should. I mean, when you have artists like this and stuff, this is absolutely beautiful. It's done by someone called Annie Washington, it looks like. Yeah, it's just really, really nice. Usually it's just if we have a chance seconds to just buy them in bulk from Japan, a couple of bucks with passengers and resell them. And yeah, anyway.
I think I've still got my Sony Walkman somewhere.
Oh, well, she could have fooled me. I never would have expected that we would have gotten all these stones here to prevent tanks from coming through here. It's kind of incredible. I mean, they are pretty impressive stones when you look at them. So the rest of the whole track is closed, it looks like. Well, if I was living around here, or at least living off the land, I'd say you can't get a much better little place to sleep than that, as long as you could prevent any snakes from getting in the end. Otherwise you'd be sharing it with them. Alright, so we're here. There's Amanda, she's getting everything ready. And I was thinking first, we could actually pitch the tent here, right? Because it's quite nice and green and it's soft. So we laid down the mats on the ground here to test how comfortable it is. And right above the area is this tree with this branch. And then you've got this one here, this kind of, get my finger if I can. Oh, yeah. So you got this one here, this branch. And yeah, well and truly big enough to kill you if it's going to fall on you. And this little part of it has already come off, which is right here. So this is kind of where the other one fell, and the other rotten one's definitely going to land like right right here. So yeah, someone has to die each year from this kind of sad and unfortunate accident, and I'd rather it not be us.
So we pitched our tent, and yeah, we're pretty much ready to just explore a little bit of the area before
The mozzies are ready
we.
too. I'll tell you that.
Yeah,
There's plenty of mosquitoes floating around us, so let's keep walking.
yeah, and then I guess we'll make a fire and prepare some food.
Definitely spectacular.
I made this fire.
Whatever you say, bro. I lit it though. That's the most important thing.
Behind every good man is a great woman.
And behind every great woman is a guy who can use a lighter. I'll be praying for you, mate. Very stormy outside. Yeah, this is basically just a giant disco outside at the moment. Let's go back out again, just quickly. Yeah, this is like a once in a very, very, very long time. Oh, wow. Yeah, once in a really long time storm. I had quite a few storms up here, but not really like this. The rain. Yeah. Crazy. All right. Come and see. Pretty decent piece of ale. Some branch down over there. All right. It is incredible. Smiley face. Another smiley face.